Hey there, what's up? Today I'm excited to make a spicy Buldak burger for my husband while you're watching. But before I do, I want to share a funny story with you. My husband's family is from a small village in China, and when he was 14, he left home to come to the United States. At the time, his childhood friend, who was already here in New York City, took him to McDonald's. He had never been to one before. The two of them wanted more than one burger, so they ordered for one meals. It was a huge mistake. The cashier was shocked. They walked away with for drinks, for fries, and the 4 burgers they wanted. But the burgers were not what they expected. They were dry and tasteless, nothing like what they had imagined. This experience left my husband traumatized for years. He wouldn't eat any type of burger until I introduced him to a real gourmet burger. It was a life-changing experience for him. He loved the taste and the quality of the burger so much that he has never eaten another burger like it since. So, that's why I'm making a simple, spicy Buldak burger for my husband tonight. It's easy to make and delicious, and it's sure to satisfy his cravings. Plus, it's better than McDonald's. Like and subscribe.